Who is selling those? Mama! Mama, oh! Hey!
Why see you are disturbing me? Huh?
Wait! Are you the owner of this store?
What is wrong with you? No, I'm asking.
See, just concentrate your life in this old newspaper.
Do you think is there anybody you can pass on?
Excuse me, is that my question and answer?
My friend, don't make me angry this afternoon. Okay? I'm already pissed off and don't make me angry. Do you hear me?
You would have told me that it is this my cap that is in your head. It is your eye. This is your brain.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me.
You want me to call the police for you?
Call if you like. Call your family, your village people. I'm not interested.
I don't have time for you, okay?
You know me.
I will make you go to jail. Do we hear from my lawyer?
Look at him. You will make me go to jail. I will make you go to grave. You will hear from my native daughter. Yes. Yes. You will hear from my native daughter. I will make you go to grave.
Young man, it has not got it to that. It has not got it to that, okay?
Don't romance me. See, don't romance me.
Let's settle this. It has not got it to that. Madam, please. Who is selling? Please bring 1/7 up for him. 1/7 up. 1/7 up.
1/7 up.
Exactly.
Make it 2.
Make it 2. Make it 2. I'll pay. Don't worry.
No problem. You have not even paid for the one that you have done. Just make it a very round figure. Make it 3.
Mama, very tiri, very tiri.
Yes. My man, it's very good. If you make this thing 4.
Mama, breathe 4. Breathe 4.
If you make it 5, it will be okay.
Mama, bring 1 crate. Bring 1 crate.
Huh? Bring 1 what?
1 crate. 1 crate is okay.
Good day, sir.
Good day, young man.
You're welcome to Lolz. In this establishment, we make sure our customers are well satisfied. As a worker, we follow 2 rules. Number 1 is sincerity. Number 2 is cleanliness. Young man, do you understand? Good. Before you enter my office, did you clean your leg at the doormat?
Sure.
Very good.
I make use of the doormat. I clean my leg.
Now, number 2 rules, you have to be very, very sincere. You have to be very truthful.
Sure.
Very good. But I can't employ you.
Ma?
You are a liar.
Scope attention.
Hey!
But why?
There's no doormats on that door. Neither did you clean your leg before coming in.
But I dust my leg. I clean my leg.
Where did you dust it?
It's nowhere.
Leave my office.
Ma? Sorry.
Stand up. Young man, should I call the security for you?